Hi guys, I'm here today to share with you the Craft Buddy Forever Flowerz tabletop tool that is great if you have any dexterity issues or if you are wanting to batch make lots of Forever Flowers all in one go. The tabletop tool comes with a wooden stand. It all has a spacer built in for you, so you don't need to add in any extra stem pieces, and it will sit nicely on your desk or craft table ready for you to use and build your flowers on. I'm going to take you through one of our lovely flower kits and show you how easy this is to use. This will free up both your hands, so it gives you a lot more movement than using the tool that comes in your kits, so you are able to build your flowers with more pressure and consistency. So you can see here I can place on my first little stem for building my flower, and because that spacer is already there on the tool for you, it means you don't need to add an extra one in. I'm building a begonia, so I've got here my 6 petals, my calyx and my little cap ready to build the flower as well. So I'm going to place my petals, I'm going to flip-flop them so that they are pointing up and down and creating depth and dimension within your flower make. I'm also going to make sure that the petals are interspersed so they're filling the gaps of the one underneath. So I'm going to add in 3 petals first, then I'm going to add in my clear basket cup, and I'm going to press that down, and because I've got both of my hands free using this tabletop tool, I can hold the base nice and firmly and press the cap down, and what you want is the petals to form over almost like a little skirt. And then I'm going to add my final 3 petals, again flip-flopping those for that extra bit of dimension, interspersed between the gaps, and then finally add your calyx to the top, give that a good press down, and then you can take your flower off and it will be formed beautifully.